Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if you're a returning subscriber friend, I want to say a special hello to you, and if you're new here, I would ask you to consider subscribing. And today we are going to have another product introduction. Many of you have heard of the Wiskf company, and today I have some bags to show you that they have sent to me free for review. Now, I have gotten bags from them before, and I can tell you right up front they are very good quality and they are a fast acting company. When you order from them, they get their package out to you right away, and their products are wonderful and they're very affordable. The average bag is $5.99 and some of the others can be up to $12.99. They have some cosmetic bags for $4.99. They just have a variety of bags, and I want to tell you, because they have sent this out to me for free, they have sent a discount code, and I want to tell you about that discount code. It is a discount code that is good and valid forever, and it can be used unlimited times. So if you find yourself in a situation where you need more bags, or you're going to have, like, I don't know, maybe you're going to give bags away as gifts to your friends, like from a wedding, or as tokens, or you're going to have some type of event and you need some nice sturdy little canvas bags that are, affordable, and you can get them through this site, and you can order several at one time, fill them all up with whatever you want for your party giveaways. But those are just some ideas that I have, or you just have gifts that you want to do. This coupon is good, like I said, forever and for as many times as you want to use, and it is Olena05 off. So that'll give you 5% discount off your order. I would like to show you what I received. They did send these to me for free, and they came in this little package right here to Miss Jackie Russell. I'm going to pull the items out, and they're individually wrapped, and I got 3 bags. The first bag I'm going to pull out, I'm going to get this plastic off real quick. This is the first bag that I got. Now this feels like a linen, heavy duty, like it's weaved a little bit, like for extra strength. It's not hard. It's a nice canvas tote bag, but it seems to be made out of very sturdy canvas, and our handles are sewn in so that you could see, and they're nice and big that you could even toss it over your shoulder if you're out shopping or something. But this is the bag that I picked, and it has the butterfly on there, and I guess it's just got, I don't know if that's French, Patron sur Mercier. I can't even speak that, so I'm not going to talk anymore about that. But isn't that a beautiful bag? And this bag is $5.99. So if you're needing, look, I can pull on this, and it's very sturdy, and it's a good size, as you can see. I would say this is a good 13 inches high, I want to say, by 12 inches, and I might be off a little bit on that, but this is a good size bag. You can get lots of items in there. Now that was the first item that I picked. The next item I picked, I'm going to get the plastic off again. Now this is one of their zipper totes, and this is made of a different material. It's a soft outer line package. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the Eiffel Tower, the Paris theme. My last order, I got a Paris bag, and now I've got another one with the flowers. And on the back side, it's in gray, and as you can see, it's got a pleated bottom, so it's going to open up. And up here we have zipper, and you can see inside that it's lined. So if you have anything in there that you need to kind of keep, cool or whatever while you're toting around, it may do the job for you. I'm not going to say it's insulated, but it's definitely something that you could put things in, and if you was to have any kind of spillage, you would be able to, like wipe that right out. It does have a zipper pocket on the inside, so, and you just zip that up, and I would say it's a typical size, where if you needed to put a little change or some money in there, or you want to drop your cell phone in there, you would be able to. So it's just a very nice bag, and it's very well made. Again, you can hear the strength that's in that bag. And then the handles, these handles are sewn into it. And again, it is where you can just toss it over your shoulder and you're on your merry way. And these bags that with the zipper closure run $8.99. And don't forget, you are able to get a 5% discount off your order. Now that 5% is for you. And the code is for you. It has nothing to do with me. I do not make a commission on this. I am just getting these sent to me for review for you to see them and to make a determination if it's something that you want to do. But they offer the code for my viewers. So I just want to clarify that. The next item, I'm going to take out a plastic, and it is a cosmetic bag. I think this cosmetic bag is so adorable. Look at this. Isn't that just beautiful? And I think this on both sides it's like that. To me, this goes with like Rome or Italy or France. It's kind of like that, I don't know, just romantic style feeling with this little cosmetic bag, and I just love it. You know, you got your roses there, your red shoes. Maybe you're going to dip your feet into the little river there. I mean, it's just kind of just very romantic, and that's why I like this bag. And they have several to pick from. It's a good size. I want to tell you, it's lined on the inside. It's kind of a thick lining, and the fabric is some kind of polyester rayon, I'm sure, and that's probably the same with the little Paris bag. But I wanted you to see what one of the cosmetic bags look like, and this runs $4.99. So that's our basic pricing: $4.99, $5.99, $8.99. Now, because they've sent me other products before, I want to show you what you can get for $12.99, and this was sent to me in a previous time, but I want to show it to you because it's so cute. This bag, which is much bigger and much sturdier, as you can tell, is $12.99, and I picked it with the big lips on it because I just like the fashion statement of that, and I guess it just suits me. But it's very big on the inside. It's nice and roomy. You've got your zipper pocket in here as well. So it's very, very nice, and I just really like it. And the handles has a little bow on there, which you can take that off. I think I just undid the bow. But anyways, isn't that just wonderful? And again, you can just have it up on your shoulder. So it's a great little bag. And real quick, while I'm showing you that, I want to show you a couple other ones that I got. They have hundreds of different styles and different pictures. And this one is, I'm going to call it my Rapunzel bag because Laura has a Jack Russell that looks exactly like this dog. They could have just taken this picture from her. This is another tote. It's the $5.99 tote. It's made of the canvas. It's very good quality, and the photo is on both sides. If you got a miniature Dachshund, you got a Maltese, you got a Maltipoo, you got a Yorkie, you got a German Shepherd, you got a Golden Doodle, you have a Labrador Retriever, whatever kind of dog you have, I bet you they have their picture, and you can get a bag with your dogs and or cat. They have cat ones too. So keep that in mind. There's thousands. I'd have to say there's thousands on this site. And I also last time got the sunflower because I love sunflowers. And this is just all big sunny sunflowers. And again, $5.99. And you just look inside there. It's nice and roomy. It's big, as you can see, and lots of room, and very, very colorful and pretty. And then this was the other Paris bag that I got. I got this one last time. It's a little bit different than the one that I got this time. I love this. I mean, I've never been to Paris. I wish I could go. I don't know if I'll ever get to, but at least I can tote around the Eiffel Tower. Picture, that is. But again, it has the zipper in here, and it also has the same zipper pocket on the inside. So, I mean, the items are very well made. I just highly, highly recommend them. And like I said, you can get that discount. It's good forever, and you can use it unlimited times. So if you have special occasions, again, birthdays and or other party things coming up, and you need bags, or you want to gift items and then you need a bag to put them in, this might be an option for you. And cosmetic wise, this is just my idea of what I like for a cosmetic bag, okay? I like the romance of this. I like the black and white with the red pop. So this really appealed to me. I will tell you that they have some that have other red pops in it, other sceneries. They've got, I'm sure they've got these in animals and flowers, just all kinds of things. You have to go on their site and check it out. Now, I would like to thank the Wiskf team for sending these out to me free for review. And I hope you will go and check them out and that you will see that the pricing of these are just excellent. And real quick, I just want to tell you the categories that they have. They have items that are under $4, just for your FYI. I could pick from $4.99 up. That's what I was told to pick out, and I did. And they have linen tote bags, zip tote bags, polyester cosmetic bags, that's what this was. They have fashion bags, which is the one that had the big lips. They have project bags, and they have, like, if you want your initial on a bag, they've got bags that are like that. They've got bags with all kinds of animals on them, including like giraffes, of course puppy dogs. They've got bags that have, like, if your initial is J, then you could have a J on there and you could get that particular bag. They just, like I said, they have thank you bags, thank you for being my friend. They have sewing bags, they have all kinds of bags, and they have other types of cosmetic bags. So be sure and head over there and see if there's a bag that'll suit your lifestyle and your fancy, so to speak, because like this really hit my fancy. So as a recap, I got this beautiful cosmetic bag that I love. I got this Paris bag that's got the flowers on it, and I really like this one. This is really, really nice. And I got this canvas tote. That is also romantic with the flowers and the butterflies, and just something kind of whimsical, I guess you'd say, but very, very cute. So those were my 3 bags that I received from Wiskf Company, and that's all I have for them today. So be sure and check my descriptions for their link and for the code that you can save 5% indefinitely, and it lasts forever. So anyways, I think I've said that several times, but be sure and check out my descriptions for any details of the Wiskf Company. And thank you again for sending these out to me for a review. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.